Guys, welcome to Motivational Easy Law. Now I am reading ICT C programming. C fundamental. The character set. C uses the uppercase letters A to Z, the lowercase letters A to Z, the digit 0 to 9 and certain special characters are building blocks from basic programs elements. Easy element of contents are variable operations, expressions, etc. etc. The special characters are listened below: plus, minus, hash, by, equal, percent, epsilon, equation, the independence, the 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2010, 2011. Identifiers are names that are given to various program elements such as variables, functions and arrays. They are fundamental requirement of any languages. Each language has its own rule for name this identifier. Identifier consists of letters and digits in any order expressed that the first character must be letter. Both upper and lower case letters are prepared, though common usage favors the usage of lower cases letters for most types of identifiers. Upper and lower cases letters are not interchangeable, i.e. an uppercase letter is not equivalent to the lowercase contain lowercase letter. For example, order no is not equivalent to order no. The undercases characters can also be included and is considered to be a letter. A declared keyword cannot be used a variable name. Other names of identifiers are a and name. Same. Explain your answer 2010. No. Variable A and variable A are not the same name identifier. We learn from the rules of naming identifier that upper and lower cases letters are not interchangeable, i.e. an uppercase letter is not equivalent to lowercase letter. So variable A and variable A are not the same name. Determine the built and inbuilt identifiers. If inbuilt, explain them. Name added, built. Name added, blank space is not fitted. Fourth, the first character must be a letter. Text, $sign is legal. No $sign. N1, N2, number 1, number 2. The plus is not allowed. First name dot is not permitted. Flat, it is a keyword. X, illegal characters. Order, no built. Order, no, the minimum sign is not permitted. Rule, build, error flag, illegal character, blank space, first tag, build character, chair is a keyword, price, $sign is not permitted. Group 1, blank space is not permitted. Integer type, build. Integer type 5, build. Name added, address, the main sign is not allowed. Temperature, build. Money, net salary, blank space is not permitted. 1 divided sign is not permitted. It is keyword. Text pay, not $sign is not permitted. Money order, blank space is not permitted. No road, build. gmail.com, student id, not minimum $sign is not permitted. Rule 50, build. Are uppercase letters equivalent to lowercase letters? Already have done. C provide space. Rules are very important. Can digit can be included in an identifier name. Special character be included. There are certain reserved words called keywords that have under standard predetermined meaning in C program. These keywords can be used only for their intent purpose. They cannot be used as program defined indefined. What restriction apply to use of keyword? Write the 15 keywords in C program. Keywords are all lowercases since uppercase and lowercase letters are not equivalent, so uppercase letters are not permitted as keywords. The standard keyword auto extender is easy of size of break, float, text, case for chair, go to, switch, constant, if, type, defend, contain, integer, union, default, restrict, bold, while, sign, else. A keyword have fit and meaning. All keywords are lowercases. There are so rules to declare any keywords. Auto, go to, break, while, chair, else are some example of keywords. Identifiers. An identifier don't have any such meaning. Identifier may be lower or uppercase. The identifier must be satisfied some rules. Some names, area, travel are some example of identifiers. Data types. C supports different type of data, is of which many present differences within the computer memory. A C program language supports 4 classes of data types: primary or basics or fundamental data types, user defined data type, deep dive data type, empty data types, fundamental data types, user defined derived data types, short integer, long integer, sign integer, ungrid integer. Floating type, floating point, float type, double type, long type, arrange, filter, structure, fundamental. Name and describe the 4 basic fundamental data types in C. All C compare support for fundamental data type, namely integer, character, floating point, float, and double precision floating point. Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types can be argument by the use of the data type qualifiers: short, long, signed, and unsigned. Integer type. Occupies integer are 1 word of stores, and the word size the means variable the size of the integer that can be stored depends on the computer. C has 3 classes of integer strong, namely short integer and integer, both signed and unsigned. Data type: short integer, size 8 bits, range 128 to 127. Unsigned short integer 8 bits, 0 to 255. Integer 16 bits, 3768 to 32767. Unsigned in integer 16 bits, 0 to 655 35. Long integer 32 bytes, 21 47 48 36 48 to 21 47 48 36 47. Character type. A single character can be defined as a characters. Type characters are usually stored in 8 bytes. The unsigned character have valuable between 0 to 25, and the signed character have value from 128 to 127. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening our valuable classes. Thanks you so much.